Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Wolf's Tech Solution. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to use Google Calendar effectively to manage your time, schedule meetings, and stay organized, whether you're a student, professional, or business owner. So let's get started. Firstly, we have to open the Google Calendar. We're searching it in Chrome. So what basically a Google Calendar is? Google Calendar is a free time management and scheduling tool by Google. It helps you plan events, set reminders, schedule meetings, and manage your daily, weekly, or monthly tasks all in one. So, firstly, you have to open the browser and search googlecalendar.com, and here you'll have your Google Calendar. So, first of all, understanding the interface, let's understand the main interface. So, here on the right side, you have all of your forms of calendar. If you want to interface on daily basis, it appears like this. And for weekly, monthly, here you have all of your events that are recently occurring. So let's get started from daily calendar. So here's a time schedule mentioned over here. Let's say we have a meeting at 11 a.m. We have to tap right here. We have all of the schedule over here. For more options, we'll click for more options. So here we can add title. Let's say we have conference meeting. Conference over here. Here's a time schedule you can manage. It's from 11, 10:30, or from which time to, let's say it will last till 12 p.m. for 1 hour. Here's the time zone. If the meeting remains for whole day, let's say it's a whole day event, then we'll tap on the whole day, but it isn't, so it doesn't repeat. Let's schedule it for weekly on Wednesday, monthly on third Wednesday, annually. Let's say it's a weekly event. From here, we can manage that either we have a Google Meet video conference. We can also add location, notification, either through email or notify it, whether the time will be 29, 30 minutes, hours, or whether whenever you want it. So you can also schedule your color so that it may look more precise in whatever color you want. So if you're busy, then you can mention the free busy. If you're free, then you can mention free. Here you can add description in any of the form you want. So if you want to invite a guest, let's say we want to invite some other person, let's say we have to invite a guest. So from here we can invite any of the guests. So let's say we are saving it. From here we can save it. We have our conference on this time. So if we see it in the weekly, here we have our meeting over here. If we want to edit it, we can also edit it by tapping on it and pressing the pencil button. We can also edit it whenever we want it. If we have a look on our monthly schedule, we can see that we have a conference on 11 a.m. and same on 11 a.m. From here, we can also add the calendar whenever and whatever we want. Let's say we want to add another calendar, create a new calendar, name it as working calendar. So it's created. Let's see, we have our working calendar over here. We can also access it for permission, and we can also share it with anyone we want. We can also add groups, we can also add links. In fact, everything we want, auto acceptation invitations, and from the owner to anyone. We can also share that whether the person can see their permission, accept notifications, and even notifications. If we want to share it with any of the person we want, we can share it with people. And from here we can add the people. They can also see that whether we are busy at the time, make available to public. Here they can see that whether we are busy at that time or we are free at that time for the person we actually shared it. It's actually very helpful for business meetings and for businesses, for the people to understand that whether they are busy at the moment of time or they are free for scheduling meetings and everything. Thank you so much for watching this video.